Carlos, Carlos, Carlos. Your friends over here just saying hi. Hi, I'm Cobug. My owner passed away back in December the 8th, 2017. I really missed her, but still, I want y'all to pay respects ever since my owner died. But I got a boyfriend over here. His name is Grand Danger. He's the man, and he's my boyfriend for life. And I'm just 8-year-old cat, maybe. I don't know. I'm just a little baby. And I'm his girlfriend. But please, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time for more of these episodes of Grand Danger or me. That's what you always say, Cuddles.